Hey, what's up, man? Matt here, CEO of Uplift Systems. We help contractors get booked solid without paying for the leads or ads. If you got room for a few more jobs each month, or if you ever pay like a HomeAdvisor or Thumbtack, $50 to $100 for a lead that goes to you, this video is for you. I'll show you exactly how we helped a landscaper from California go from invisible to fully booked without a single ad or lead platform. So when a homeowner Googles for something like plumber near me or like landscaper in your city, are you showing up? Because if you're not in the top three results, you're basically invisible. And that job is going to someone else. Most contractors miss out on thousands of dollars a month simply because they're not showing up where the customers are looking. Here's what we did for Roy from Colibri Landscaping and Design, and it only cost him $197 a month. So Roy's a landscaper and works mostly from Sherman Oaks. So if I Google landscaper near Sherman Oaks, look where he shows up. Yep, first place. Even people with more reviews are showing up below him. When he first came to us, he had no website, barely any reviews, pretty much nothing. We built him a functional website with all his services, service areas, and more, but most importantly, a quote form and a chat widget that once either of them get filled in, the info gets immediately texted to his phone. So not an email, but right to his phone. And the lead also gets an immediate follow-up text like, hey, just got your quote form. I'll be in touch shortly. We even put a spelling mistake in there and correct ourselves after just to make it more human. Basically, you want to directly follow up with them so they don't start shopping around or go to your competitors. Roy landed a $2,000 job within a week just from that quote form, and the whole system cost less than his phone bill, just to put it in perspective. Next up is our 5-star Google review system. This will be your new review link where we make sure you can't get a bad review. Let me show you right here. So if someone wants to give you a 1, 2, or 3-star review, for whatever reason, this goes to private feedback, not to Google. But if they select like a 4 or 5, they get immediately redirected to Google to leave their review there. And I probably don't have to explain this to you, but more 5-star reviews equals higher Google listing equals more calls that turn into jobs that turn into money. Because you will be seen as a trusted and reputable contractor, it's like the number one thing that helps you rank higher on Google and closing more jobs. Next system is our missed call text back, whether you're on a job or even on the toilet. Missed calls happen all the time. So if you miss a call, we automatically text them right away saying like, hey, I saw that we missed your call, how can I help you? If you want, we will even drop them a link to a quote form so they've got like a next step to take and don't wander off to a competitor. And lastly, our automated marketing follow-up system. You just have to hit one button and we follow up with the customer every week for a month straight until they leave your review. We also send them like a 5 to 10% discount that also applies to their friends and family. But this isn't about discount, it's about you staying on top of their mind. So next time they or someone they know needs a contractor, they remember you. And here's the best part, we keep following up with them every 2 to 3 months for a full year, just little reminders keeping your name fresh in their heads so you're the one they call when something comes up. Now, maybe one last thing I want to show you is how it probably looks like now versus where we are taking it. So this is how most contractors run their business through word of mouth, repeat business, price shoppers. You want to take it from over here to over here. So functional website, 5-star Google reviews, auto missed call text back, a website chat, and everything else I just showed you. We want to close the holes where the leads flow out, and we want to widen the gap where the leads flow in. That's it. All done for you, all automated, all for only $197 a month. No contracts, no setup fees. So yeah, if all of this sounds good, you can book a call below. I just wanted to be really clear and upfront. This is exactly what we do, and those are just some of the results that I just showed you. They all are going to turn into $1,000 jobs. Simple as that.